Oil Twins News, Spring 2026. We got a lot to talk about. Let's get started. We're the Oil Twins. We build it, break it, fix it, and we run AMSOIL the right way. Be sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to keep up on all of our antics. For more information, visit www.oiltwins.com. Well, it's been a while, so just to get you caught up, the Oil Twins have been working on a lot of things lately, just from stuff around the house, going off-roading, welding up a trailer, all kinds of stuff that's outside the channel. And now it's time to get you guys caught up with the latest news. So AMSOIL's been working on some really big things lately, starting off with the new motorcycle oil product line. AMSOIL is now discontinuing the use of the name metric motorcycle. That's what they used to use when they referred to like bikes that were like non-Harley type. So if you picture like your Hondas, stuff that was more like crotch rocket stuff. So they're changing the name over and eliminating that. Big points are this: maximum power and performance. You're going to protect your engine, and you're going to have smooth and precise shifting. And you know, that matters because motorcycles are hard on the oil. A lot of these bikes have a combined engine sump and transmission sump, so that oil is doing multiple functions. It has to deal with the high RPM, the heat, the gear shear, clutch operation, shift fill, and all the fun mechanical disasters that motorcycles politely call performance. So it's not car oil with a motorcycle sticker on it. That would be mechanical laziness wearing leather gloves. If you ride a sport bike, touring bike, adventure bike, or metric bike, that it's worth checking before your next service. You can call me at 866-956-5695 or text me at 909-821-5551. But don't spam me, please. The next big thing that AMSOIL is dropping is the next generation Signature Series. All new formulation to meet all the new specs and deal with future emissions requirements that are going across the globe. They did not compromise on any of the performance. The new oil is going to protect better, and it's going to provide a high level of performance that has not been seen even in the AMSOIL products. AMSOIL says this update follows years of research, formulation, work, and validation. This is where it gets interesting because AMSOIL just didn't say, "Trust us, bro," which is apparently the official model of half the internet. They tested it. In AMSOIL's June 2026 magazine, they talk about 125,000 mile test using Signature Series 5W30 in a 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor with a high output 3.5 liter engine. The oil was changed at 25,000 miles intervals during the test. AMSOIL reported no oil consumption, viscosity stayed in grade, and the additive package held strong, and very low wear metals were produced. They also reported that Signature Series preserved horsepower and torque through the 125,000 mile test. That matters because modern engines are getting tough on oil. Smaller engines with turbochargers, direct injection, hotter operation conditions, tighter tolerances, and emission systems all make the oil jobs harder. AMSOIL also reports improved LSPI protection and lower volatility. The LSPI, or low speed pre-ignition, is a concern in modern turbocharged engines, especially when the oil ages. Volatility matters because oil evaporation can contribute to oil consumption, deposits, and long-term protection issues. The practical takeaway is this: new engines, they have higher demands on your oil than ever before. AMSOIL's continued to improve the Signature Series to meet that hard demand. Next thing to talk about is new boxes are coming. So if you're used to the old colorful boxes that we had, essentially what you're going to have is a brown box with a colorful sticker, and this is why. The goal is to improve how the products are protected, presented, and delivered. AMSOIL says that the new cartons are up to 28% stronger and are resized to reduce the internal shifting and to help eliminate pallet overhang. Like, who loves having your order show up and there's leaks in the bottles? I mean, nobody likes that. The bigger point is this: AMSOIL is trying to keep you guys with the best product, with the best pricing, and quality matters from the time that the materials are bought and ordered, the blending's done, the packaging's done, and it's shipped to you. Every step is important to me and is important to AMSOIL. So what's coming next? Well, personally, I am working on all kinds of projects. I'm enjoying flying my drones, taking photos, doing some mapping. We're gonna put springs on the Pro R. Oh, for you Kubota fans, we'll be doing an oil change on my Kubota RTV. That'll be a good one. You wanna stick around for that. And I got an oil change to do on the Pro R. Remember, do me a favor, like and subscribe, smash the notification bell. They said that's an old term, so just use the notification feature so that you know when we release videos. Share us with your friends. Put us on your Facebook page, please. Put us on the gram. Just help me grow the business. This is Casey Jones, your oil twin, saying send it and God bless. Oil Twins, built, tested, and proven.